Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something super easy and cute. It's my little French baguette plush. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so here's my sketch for this cute little French baguette, and this one's very easy to draw, as you can see. So to begin, we just kind of draw in the top portion first. So we just draw in right on the top here. Just one curve. And then on the side right here, just come down. Okay, so it's almost like a square, but keep the bottom open. Alright, and then from here we can draw in the face. So right in the middle, I'm just going to add two dots for the eyes, and then for the mouth, just come down here. It's one big smile. Alright, and let's go ahead and finish up this part right here. So here's his hand. So it's just going to be one kind of like an egg shape right on the side right here. So once we have the hands right here, let's go ahead and draw in this little wrap or bow tie. So just come to the center of this. Okay, just draw one little circle. And then let's draw in the wings right here, the loose ends. Just curve down, close it off. And then same thing here. So it's supposed to be cloth, so just kind of leave it a little bit wobbly. Okay, and then let's see if we can add in some lines right here for the creases. And then now let's connect to this. So from here, I'm just gonna go up right behind the arms or the hands. And then one more. Okay, so that's it. And let's come back up here and finish up the little chef hat. So right in the middle, just two lines going up. Let's curve it. Same thing as the top of the head. And then here we just kind of go up. Just round it out. Okay, so same thing here, we can add in some of these creases for the folds. Alright, so let's move on to the body, which is gonna be super easy. So we'll just continue with this line right here. And you can make it longer if you like, but I won't make it that long, or else we won't be able to see it. Okay, so just come down, and on the bottom right here, which is round it out just like the top. And then for his foot, just one little oval right behind the bottom right here. Okay, and then to add in a little bit more detail to the bread right here, just add in a little oval at an angle. And I'll just add two. And that is it for this little French baguette plush. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.